To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the two fasteners securing the housing. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. When reinstalling the housing cover, slide it down and flush it with the filter to slide the bottom tabs into their catch. The fasteners will not fully re-engage unless the tabs are inside the catch. Re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.